Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today is 6th of March and today we have the oath taking ceremony of our 5th batch, and we all have gathered here to celebrate the oath taking and lamp lighting ceremony. So यहाँ में मेरा दोस्त लोग भी इधर है, पॉपी, जयंती, मुनी, हम लोग का ड्रेस कोड था ट्रेडिशनल पहनना है, और यहाँ हमारा हीरो लाल, Mr. Garu Yompang.
Hello.
And let's मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ अभी अंदर क्या हो रहा है. Okay, so let's go inside. Very good. Hi guys. Our anchor. हेलो हाय, आज ये लोग का दिन है. हम लोग सुंदर से रेडी होके आए थे. गाइस आज हम लोग का हम लोग कुछ नया स्टार्ट करने को जा रहा है. सो हियर इज अ सरप्राइज. Florence Nightingale.
Wait, let me turn on my lamp.
Our Florence Nightingale. फुल ड्रेस दिखाती हूँ मैं.
Lots of love to all my nursing students, my nursing followers, and everyone who is this video.
मैं ना रिया न्याकिर ना सुंदर बन के चेयर बुक रहे ना.
तो मेरी जो तुम जाओ वापस ले जाओ.
किन पिताबा सच धज के चेयर बुक रहे. तुम क्या काम कर रहा है यहाँ मामू ने एक्टिंग. मैम कहाँ से लेगा. वेलकम मैम.
But first of all, I would like to appreciate you guys for choosing this profession. A profession that requires you to provide selfless service, caring for the sick and burdened one, and the profession that puts you through the toughest test of humanity, where you have to choose someone else's needs over yourself. And my dear, you guys are emerging future pillars of this profession. And I'm here to remind you guys that your existence alone is a great contribution to the society. And on top of it, the services that we nurses provide, though sometimes it is unseen, we are the linking bridge of hope, of life and death, between the life and death of our patients. Therefore, I encourage you all to be proud of yourself, and no matter what, do carry forward the legacy of our profession in a good way. And to my students of 5th semester, I hope that when you take this place today, I hope you guys are true to yourself and make these promises by your whole heart. Because this is not just an oath that you do for the sake of a ritual, but rather it is a pledge that you make for yourself, your people, your country. Because the privilege of saving someone's life is not easily given to everyone. You are specially chosen for this path, and your country, the world, awaits your dedication and your honesty. And we are eagerly waiting to see your work in this field. And to my teachers, I, Lady Florence Nightingale, and the entire nursing world are submitting the overall responsibility of developing, nurturing, and caring for these students onto you. You guys are bestowed with the responsibility of upbringing and making out a mature and full-trained nurse out of an ordinary student. So I hope you keep my words and prepare them well for their life in future nursing. Thank you.
We are called to serve humanity, and though with the art and science of caring, we are built on integrity and discipline that transcends through every generation. Immaculate and amicable, we are the source of hope to everyone, and the foundation for building an healthy one. Together we shall stand. Nurses are brave, nurses are caring, and every song of humility and service. We are specially ordained for this vocation. Yes, I'm proud to be meritorious and mischievous, and will not take or knowingly administer any harmful drug. I will do all in my power to maintain and elevate the standard of my profession, and will hold in confidence all personal matters committed to my keeping, and all family affairs coming to my knowledge, in the practice of my calling. With loyalty, I will endeavor to aid the physician in his work and devote myself to the welfare of those committed to my care.
नाइटिंगेल का साथ फोटो, नाइटिंगेल का साथ फोटो खिंचा रहे सब। कैसे ले जाएगा? एक से ले जाएगा हम एक ही ले जाएगा। नहीं, अभी हम चेंज कर लेते। टेंटेन मार्टिना काम कर रहा है बोलते हैं।